Sans respect pour moi. Sans respect. Et nous même sortir tête moi. Bah papa fait ça sortir dans roche. Sans sortir là.
Toutes bagages sont Jeff. On a parlé Jeff. Jeff.
Ou jouez bien vrai? Ou dans le monde, ou pas le monde quoi? Gros discussion faite entre moi même avant.
But Jeff is not the problem. I'm not with Jeff. Me and Jeff are friends.
Le problème c'est parce que pendant que le problème avant, nos discussions avant, on monte New York à ici. Voilà en fait.
Non, parce que ou t'as accusé, le mal non comme on dit t'appelle pas t'appelle. C'est où t'as accusé.
Ou aller konn avec encore. Ou à New York, ou aller en fait, ou aller manger.
Ou t'es là l'aime d'après konn avec là?
Ah, faut pas avec. Parce que des fous dans sortir avec. Bullshit on vient là. Tu là.
Wow.
Ou faut respecter.
Yo, qu'est-ce qu'il dit? Qu'est-ce qui était là? Qu'est-ce qui était ouais ça? Non, mais qu'est-ce qui dit bah ça?
N'importe faut réfléchir sur le respect pour moi. Sur le respect pour Shaba.
Okay, but let me tell you something. If it's not Jeff, it's gonna be. Let me tell you something. If it's not Jeff, it's gonna be somebody else. Yeah, but if it's not Jeff, it's gonna be somebody else. But this, I know you. It's been 14 years. I don't respect you still. Like you didn't used to fuck on me. You act like you a saint. You act like you innocent. You're not innocent. Are you innocent? Okay. But I wasn't with you when I was with Jeff. We weren't together no more. Yeah, but me and you weren't together. You was the one going around telling people you left me. Look how Saturday Mito see me. Mito said, oh, Shaba said he was done with you. Shaba said he was finished with you. But you was telling people you were done. Okay, but if I was with Jeff, I wasn't with you. I could have done everything I wanted to do. That's what I was telling you the whole time. Wow. You still don't want to allow that we weren't together. We wasn't sleeping. We wasn't sleeping. For Jeff? So why don't you just leave me alone, Shaba? Why don't you just leave me alone if it's the problem? Who told you I went to New York with Jeff? That's what Who said I went to New York with Jeff? That's what you said. I'm repeating what you said. You said I went to the communion with him. I didn't go to the communion with Jeff. Jeff was already at the communion. Those are your people that was saying that. They don't give a fuck about you. But they don't care about you. They don't care. But they don't care about you. They don't care about you. They don't give a fuck about you.